Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So we're looking at GBP JPY for this week. What can we see? If you look at what happened, right, in the last 3 weeks, we had a wick to the upside, we had a rejection, and we had another wick. But if you actually look at what we've been rejecting, it's 165, 185, sorry, 185. We pushed above, we came back below, we tapped into this area, and now we are tapping at 185 nicely. So we're currently at 185 and we're maintaining below this area. You can also see 183, we're resting on here as well. So it's a bit of a bounce play. I'm just going to keep that away because I think what's going to happen is since we've pinched above this high and we've made our higher high, I do think we may return back to these lows just by the way we've rejected 185, I think we may fall down here, potentially, but that's only if we break below this area. But my verdict is I think it will happen. That's one way. On the flip side, we could continue our upside momentum like this on the weekly time frame. So let's see what happens. Okay. And so we tapped, we broke, we're bearish on the daily. Yep, we're bearish on the daily. We had our high, higher low, higher high, break of structure, pull back. Can we see price continue down? It's clear as day that we've got this nice support here. Yeah. So we need to see what happens here. If price comes into this area and we reject and we get some sort of 30-minute engulfing, I'm going to buy with my TP up here. If we reject this area, maybe 185 or this area here of 186. That's if we reject this area. But if we break below cleanly and we come back and retest, I will look for sales down into 160, 181. I don't know why I keep saying 160. 180 point, yeah, 180.653. Any opportunities around here? Yeah. I would say if I wanted to buy, what I would be looking for is either a break, a retest into there, or as I said around here. I know you could potentially buy here, but I don't want to be doing that. It doesn't feel like a key level. I don't feel confident in that level. I would rather buy from here or a break and a retest of this area. As you can see, this is a nice area of support as well. So if we can break 185 and retest it, I would look for buys there. Or if we can come back here and give ourselves an engulfing, I will buy. Other than that, I'm not interested. When I say engulfing, I literally want a clean engulfing. Like boom. So let's just say this is our bearish candle. I want the bullish candle to be like that. If we get that, I will put my stops around here and I will sell my TP1, TP2. Oh, buy, sorry, not sell. Yeah, all right. That's that. Gold, Goldie. I think we're going to come into 1832, 1932, but I'm not really looking at that too much. GBP AUD is a bit of a mess. It's a bit of a mess. It's just consolidating. We're just in this little box, to be fair. Just consolidating here. Maybe we need to see what happens. Can we break out and fall down potentially and come into these lows here? Into this low would be good. Somewhere around here potentially. But we need to see what happens, right? We need to see what happens. Maybe you can buy at the top of this, sell at the top of this box, but I'm not interested. I will just wait to see for price to come here and then continue upside momentum. Why? Because the daily is bullish, the weekly is bullish, the 3-day is bullish, the 4-hour is currently bearish, but it's about where is the 4-hour being bearish? Why is it being bearish? It may want to get to a certain area and this is the highest probability area I can see to be start looking for some buys. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all have a great trading week. Let's go.